Hello and welcome. If you're interested in promoting your new book in an eye-catching manner, then you can't do better than put together a movie trailer for it and putting that on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube and any of the other many social media video platforms. It's a great way to get your book noticed, and it's not at all difficult. Of course, what you will need is an Apple computer, which comes ready loaded with iMovie. If you don't have it, download it for free from the App Store. Too easy. So let's have a look at a good example of an iMovie trailer I made previously. This trailer promotes my upcoming spy thriller Zoo Station. See what you can do.
They still imagine I can turn you. I don't want you branded as a traitor.
I like this clip so much I think I'll buy the book. And there you have it. Life is a lot easier when you plan what you're doing. It's the same when making an iMovie trailer. So guess what? I've made this task so much easier by locating prepared trailer templates for you to use and download. These are simple to use and you can fill in the fields in Adobe Reader or print them out and simply write your notes into them by hand. Either way, planning ahead for your trailer will save you much time during production. There seems to be lots of moving parts to this exercise, but in reality, if you follow some simple steps, you'll be surprised at how smoothly it goes. You will learn all you need to know in order to build eye-catching trailers that can promote your book. It will look just like a real movie based on your own work. Really, the important work is done before you even open iMovie. The importance of being earnest. No, sorry, the importance of being organised. There's nothing worse than having to spend an hour searching your computer for that image you know you saved somewhere. So when you collect your images and videos, organise them into a specific folder or folder set. What else? Enjoy this class. It's fun and very satisfying to put together something that looks really cool. That's what will make your book memorable. This is a brief summary of learning outcomes expected. I won't read them out, and they're the minimum outcomes you can expect. You will of course learn much more on your journey through this class. Just pause here to read them. Brilliant! You can work on your project on your iPad, your desktop, even your iPhone. iMovie works seamlessly across all devices. Just make sure you have iCloud enabled. Is that a default? Working across your devices will be dependent on your having your resources organised. How easy is that? Use Photos, built right into Apple and ready and waiting. Did I mention this previously? I guess by now it will be obvious that it's important to ensure your smooth progress. Go on to enjoy the class and your results. Let's get on with the lesson, shall we?